Hello friends, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Today another videos from Wuhan plans to test all 11 million residents. The Chinese city of Wuhan, the first in which the COVID-19 virus appeared, plan to test all 11 million inhabitants, and after several weeks and after the mitigations of measures, new cases appeared. Health officials has have been ordered to begin plans to perform testing on all residents at noon, according to an official statement issued by some Chinese media which was transmitted by the Guardian. Each district should make plans on how to report muslins as test on the entire population within 10 days. It is stated in the notifications without specifying when the testing should start. In China, the virus being brought under control, but caution is present due to the fear of the outbreak of the second wave of infections after the measures to prevent the spread of the virus were abolished. Report Tanjong. Thank for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe my videos.